come to the black out the road, the X6. And the job tap out the road. Have a girl, the man that's why me and a flack out the road. Girl go looking, she get no slap out the road. Boy a cheat and me say him jump out the road. All him brain, marrow, splash out the road. Me done them for free, all cash out the road. Them go inform to soldier.
Alright, stop it right there. So don't get. You have the party money, alright? Let me see you going to a party shop.
Sheba, she says.
Sheba, you're going to a party shop?
No,
Anyway, people, with our peppers, we're going to have some food out in a Falmouth. Hello, food serve. $100, $50. Yeah. Yeah, me have $50. You guys finished already? We're starving. Yeah, even though the place warm, it's like I'm outside in the sun. How about that? Yeah, carry it. Carry it. Carry it. Come on, go. Carry it. Come and pack up mine too. Rushan. Come on, Rushan. Make Chantel if you up. Anyway, guys, we just have a little heat and now we are going home. Huh? You collect a friend? Collecting a friend. Anyway, guys, welcome to Brownstown Market. See, this is the Brownstown area. I've been here last week. I come back today. Me and Isaac Apar and Chopin. Brownstown. Let's cross. them much a bungle feet. Tell them much a bungle feet so they want leave.
150.
150 a tie. And see it there, he might give him back 2,000 change.
They don't want nothing.
Something like. Eh? You see you're not selling nothing in, but you're just a selfie. You don't want to work for nothing like man. Yeah, how much you have dozen? Yeah, give me half dozen. I true, you know. Yeah, true.
Top class, nothing.
Yeah, top class, alright. How much that?
350.
Alright, go on. Alright, go on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Them one I look all man. Yeah. They're all man, them are okay your car man. Don't drop on. Come on man, we can't pop off so. No. No, the okay the old sister. Want the younger one. Sorry. Want the soft, want the younger one them. Yeah, but no, that's only one. No, only one. The one I don't want them. Some of them I want to too big man. Next time, yeah, maybe weekend. The day a weekend. Saturday, Friday. Oh my God, man. Pick the younger one then, man. Okay. Alright, thanks anyway. Yeah, take care. So we get our peeps. Right? Now I must run the night shop. Yepa. Come buy out the man thing. See the zapper here. Isaac, this is what you use to kill a mosquito. How much on your zap?
Oh, 800.
800. We don't want these in England, is it? Alright. Boxers? You want boxers? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, but that's not your size, is it?
I have his size.
How much it?
I have his size.
How much for it?
500. I have his size.
Okay.
Hold on.
How much you buy?
Stand.
So how much? Why is it 500 for one?
Yes, dear.
Buy two. Buy two.
Stand. $1,000.
Do you have in the bag? What do manager eat, man?
You know, we don't eat, we just stay at the car.
Are you in a long sleeve?
Eh? Yeah, praise God, man. Praise God and keep fighting, you know?
Gotcha. So, me try, but me still a hot.
God, God.
Really? Okay.
We don't have no control of where I go, and we have to just keep praising, keep holding on.
That's how you go?
Thank you.
Okay. No, I'm not buying a Milo. Yeah. You alright? Yeah. Okay. market. The next time, no, I'm not coming to market, I'm going to come with tea. Alright, let's go. Here, come on. One bag, man. Want some okra. Anyway, people, see Marcus Garvey Street here. Marcus Garvey run from the street here, and then that shit on him. And that street I always think. No, then throw shit for Marcus Garvey, I say. That's why that shit I always think. Okra. Yeah, go on. Alright, people, I buy okra, I do roast and dip. You know roast and dip? You roast the fish and ice scale.
Oh,
yeah, with the okra and cucumber. I want cucumber too. Nice, how much of them? 3 for 500.
That one's the ripest.
No, give me this one. Yeah, them ones are a bit fresh. We still have.
Anybody can explain what Brownstone Market make up offer? 2,000, I put on 1,000 more.
You know what, we put 1,000 more on it.
The man said put 1,000 more on it, so anybody can explain it? Tell me.
Anybody can explain it?
Yes.
What Brownstone Market make up?
Make offer.
Alright. We only got 2 more seconds. If not.
One more. Anybody can tell me Brownstone name offer? $5,000. Have a Mr. Brown? Come collect you 5,000. Welcome to Brownstone.
Alright, welcome.
General.
Oh, you mean, come on, man.
The most fresh food in Brownstone. Yeah. 200. Which is right.
Why smart?
Yeah.
You there every day?
Every day.
Alright.
Apart from Sunday.
Yeah, we got church.
Yeah, we got church on Sunday and put the rice and peas on Sunday and put the little lettuce on it. You know me? And then put tomato and them thing there. With the good carrot juice.
That is it.
Beetroot.
Alright. 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 People in the Brownstone Market and love me sweat.
Which is right.
Sweat your crack.
Yeah. Time hot.
Time hot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
See that? Yo, that's his brother, Yam Breed.
Yam Breed, what?
Yam man.
I him the Yam man.
I'm going to get Batman and start selling onion and tomato.
Allah, where them there?
See them there, man?
Onion, tomato, and garlic. Theater people, yeah man, get bad man and start selling other food. Original, yeah man. Come on. Alright. I brought some market make up our final. Alright. Yeah, you get me? Yeah. How much it to what you sell? Right, what's a pound? Give me a pound. I'm not going to do roast on it. You see it? All over the world, brother. All over the globe now. All over the globe. Right. Come on. Yeah. Alright.
Keep it alive.
See it there?
Bring the right vibe.
Alright.
Take it to the people.
Take it to the world.
Yeah.
Of
so
course.
You know, fresh and clean.
Fresh and clean.
You can walk in. Yam
alright.
Yam.
Alright.
Up and remove it.
And people are not joke thing. Show them yam.
I mean yam vibes, man. Good old yellow yam, man.
Good old yellow yam people.
Up and running.
Man.
No ramp with it.
Alright.
I don't know.
So, I'm going to deal with it. Well, listen to me. See it? Yeah, man, all I hold my camera, people.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
I'm not going to tell anybody hold my camera.
I think I see that the boss are light up in skits, so you know, so I know nothing now, man.
Set food up.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Try it from it, she don't want to go worldwide, you know?
Sell over here, sir?
No, she not sell, she pass through. Yo, she's a man over there, so the man that eyes on camera right now.
You want iPhone camera?
Yeah, you want, show them up. Got them eyes on camera, show them up.
Watch on man.
Show them up.
Get up. Want you? Cha-cha. Watch them.
Man, I'm more
Come on, man.
I said that before.
The people are going to ask me what burn you, you know.
Yeah, no, I said that, man.
I said burn see people. Me have it too. Alright, man. Alright, respect. Come on. This.
That's stuff.
Yeah, that's star fruit. Quite expensive. This is thinking to Chopper.
What does it stink?
It's not that stink, but they just, I don't know why they call it stinking to. We have to know how to eat it. It's powdery. And it will choke you. Well, next time we get it weekend. You can make juice as well. Yes, my pa. I just get one. Oh, you want a bag? You have $100? You want it? Oh. Alright, put it in this still. Yeah. You wash the manga before you. You're gonna mess up yourself now. You used to have fish tank.
I still do have a fish tank.
Yeah?
I put a fish on it.
Oh, okay. How can someone put fire hydrant in the middle of a fucking pavement? People, watch it. This is Jamaica for us. I saw that red hair lady, I nearly thought it was your mom. I was gonna say, what your mom doing here? Yeah. We're going up here. One Joe there, man. Exactly. Come on, we're there. People at Brownstown Market with that. Whenever I come check out Joe there. The baddest caps, the baddest glasses. Furthermore, the name again, Cologne. Them one I used to sell the baddest Cologne, but I don't know what going on. Cologne done now. No more Cologne?
No more Cologne. No
Upgrade. Yeah.
Watch, yeah.
Alright, the whole, yeah man, come on man. A lot of things. I'm control right across from the bus park. Let's check him out, please, and thanks. Yeah, come on people. We still have shoemaking going on, you know. I'm gonna show you something. Fine job the man just do. Up in a brownstone, see it there? A kicker's bottom the man put on. Oh, don't play with it. Okay, Tyrone, I think you alone can make third world shoes. Man, them a do it, yes sir. I like it. Come on, man. Right van Spice are nice. Right between Spice and Nice. And yeah, check out the man and stuff. Any shoes you don't have on the bottom, drop off. Any shoes you don't work on, down. See it there? Man, them have original clocks I work on as well. Don't fuck on yourself, people. Mash up on your shoes and come up yourself. That is it. Yeah. You have the party money, alright? Let me see you going to a party shop.
Sheba, she said.
Sheba, you going to a party shop?
Nah, buy.
So what she going to do with the money? Okay, she's supposed to rich though. Cause she not smoke drugs. Right, so right, she's supposed to rich. Yeah man, come on. Alright, up top. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Go on.
Have more money, more girl, me have a blackout a road. Anyway, me park up, me say me blackout a road, the range over, and the job top out a road. And more money, more girl, me have a blackout a road. Anyway, me park up, me say me blackout a road, the X6, and the job top out a road. Have a girl, them all that's why me and a flack out a road. Girl go looking, she get no slap out a road. Boy a cheat and me say me jump out a road, all in brain, marrow, splash out a road. Me done them for free, all cash out a road. Them go inform to soldier.
Alright, stop it right there. So don't get